In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on Switch 2 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to invite your friends to a lobby and play together. First, I want to make it very clear that I am going to be recording this video on my PC. However, the instructions that I give you will work flawlessly on the Switch 2. So all that you have to do is open the menu. Open the social menu at the right side of the screen. Once you go inside of the social menu, you will be able to invite your friends. So in here, you will see a friends list and you can select your friend and choose the option to invite them. This will only work if they are online, of course. If you need to add your friends, go down one tab and in here you can find your friends using the display name. So ask them for their display name. If they aren't sure, they can check here. So highlight your icon, the display name will be available, and then you can send them. You can also look for random people who want a party, but if you want to play with your friends strictly, then add them through this page. Once they have an invite, they will be able to select you and then choose the option to accept. Once they accept you or you accept them, you will see each other on this main social tab under Epic Online, and then you can invite each other to a lobby. You can also highlight any of these slots here on the lobby, and as long as you select them, you will be able to see the social tab to hand out the invites. You can invite up to 4 people in the same lobby and play together, and you can queue into any of the standard game modes. You can do duos, trios, squads, whatever you prefer. And keep in mind that while split screen might be available, you will require an additional controller to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on Switch 2 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.